Good morning, guys. I trust all is well in your world. Starting our day at a local farmers market here in Albuquerque, the downtown farmers market. I love farmers markets. They always have the best vibe. People about, beautiful this morning with the sun out, people sitting in the park, bringing the dog for the walk. Chumbo. This is Chumbo, guys. Chumbo. Chumbo. What a way to start the day. Farmers market, breakfast burrito, cup of joe. Jumbo's freaking out. What's up, Jumbo? This is how they make the famous green chili here. They fire roast the green chilies and get them nice and smoky. For me, what an amazing way to start a day. Fresh markets, good food, people, sunny. Perfection. Alright, so the markets were amazing this morning. We're now on our way out to Sante Fe, which I have heard wonderful things about. Right now though, I'm utilizing the driving time just to get a little bit of editing done. The American Southwest. When she's gone. We have arrived in Sante Fe. Wow. Guys, this is so beautiful. It's like a little Spanish town.
It is a Spanish town.
It's a Spanish town, back in Spain. It's nice to be back in a town like this, similar to like Latin America or Spain. I just love those cities and I love the architecture and just the vibe. There's a really nice vibe here. Alright, just gonna check out this cafe, Iconic Coffee Roasters. Bookstore. Already liking these guys here at Iconic, super friendly. They give me an Honduras El Salvador to try as a long black. They know what they're doing. They're onto it. Bang on coffee. Always a good way to start exploring a city is to go to a cafe and meet the locals and ask advice and get a good caffeine buzz. Thank you so much to Iconic Coffee Roasters for bang on coffee. So we've come to the old Sante Fe Plaza. There's beautiful music and parks. It's just a really wonderful part of the city. I'm instantly taking a liking to Sante Fe. This place is very magical. I do not feel like I'm in America anymore. I could be somewhere in Mexico. I could be somewhere in southern Spain. One of my favorite things from Sante Fe so far are these, they're called ristras, bunches of chilies all tied up here. Thank you, Sante Fe. You were a lot of fun. Thank you guys for bringing me to Sante Fe. I really loved it. Avocado. This dal is amazing. We're stopping at Whole Foods quickly for a little bit of a late snack. This evening we've come to Meow Wolf. Now if you've watched Game of Thrones, the writer George R.R. Martin created this beautiful space. It's a lot of fun. Enjoy. You're a fancy catch-up bottle.
No, I'm Classic, her sister. I know she done run off with my husband again. If you see her, you tell her that ketchup does go with eggs.
So it's a 22,000 square foot interactive art space. We encourage you to touch things in the exhibit.
Alright, I'm ready. Let's do this. Apparently this is going to make everything look different. Things are already sort of changing.
Happy Halloween, indoors. With this in mind, enjoy your time in our
I'm looking for my sister, Classic Ketchup. She's spreading horrible rumors about me and telling people that ketchup goes on eggs. Oh, atrocious.
Sometimes.
Piers.
Oh, simply atrocious. You have gone to the real room. You are...
What? little bit. Meow Wolf vlog. I'm now officially lost. I'm in this room and oh, John. Okay, I found John. Let's go. Let's do this. I have security clearance. See, told you. It's so crazy, John. Guys, thank you so much for watching today's vlog. I really appreciate the continued support. Please feel free to give this video a huge thumbs up and to subscribe if you aren't already. But for now, guys, so much love. Peace.